Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Amazon fund donation options. When Amazon closed its Amazon Smile program, many of us who relied on it to support our favorite charities wondered what to do next. I've been through this myself, and what I've found is that while Amazon no longer has a direct purchase-based donation feature, there are still excellent ways to direct money toward causes you care about, even when shopping on Amazon. The key is looking at alternative fundraising platforms and programs that work with Amazon purchases or gift cards. One of the most effective methods I've personally switched to is using gift card fundraising platforms. The most well-known are platforms like RaiseRight or similar programs. Here is how it works and why I like it. How it works: my chosen nonprofit registers with the platform. I then buy an Amazon gift card through that platform. The organization immediately earns a percentage, often much higher than the old Amazon Smile 0.5%, because the platform buys the card at a discount and passes a portion of that savings back to the charity. My experience: I found that these platforms often offer higher earning rates, sometimes around 1.5% to 3% for Amazon gift cards specifically. It's a slightly different process than just shopping, as you have to plan to buy the gift card first, but the higher donation percentage makes a real difference to the charity's bottom line. Another valuable option, especially for organizations that need physical supplies, is using Amazon Business's donation driver or similar charity lists/registries. How it works: nonprofits can create specific lists of needed items, like school supplies, personal care items, or equipment, directly on Amazon. Donors purchase the item, and it's shipped directly to the charity. My experience: this is great for transparency. You know exactly what your money is buying and what impact it will have. For my local food bank, I can see they need specific types of canned goods or hygiene kits, and I purchase those directly. It feels more tangible than a general cash donation. Finally, for organizations themselves, the Amazon Associates program is an option. How it works: a nonprofit can sign up for the affiliate program and share links to products they recommend or use. When people click that link and make a purchase on Amazon, the charity earns a commission. My experience: this is an indirect method, but for charities that have a strong social media presence or email newsletter, it can generate consistent passive income. It relies on supporter engagement, but the commission rate can be significant, up to 10% on certain product categories. So, while Amazon Smile is gone, the best fund donation options now involve being proactive, either using gift card programs for better percentage-based giving or donating specific needed items through a charity list. In both cases, your support goes directly to your chosen organization. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.